Police are now on the scene of the murder of a man in Golden Springs, St. Andrew. Residents so far identified the man as Kojo, a resident of the area. Preliminary reports suggest that about 11 a.m. the man was shot dead by a gunman on a main road. A crash car was also seen on a wrecker. Police team from Lawrence Tavern and Constant Spring are among those on location. A dispute between members of the security forces and residents of Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew left one man dead and 2 persons injured on Monday morning. It is unclear what started the argument, but the Star understands that at least 2 members of the security forces were injured and are being treated. A man who was involved in the argument was shot at some interval throughout the scuffle. The police confirmed he later died. Residents have since mounted roadblocks in a fiery protest. A section has since been cleared as lawmen continue to monitor the situation. The Kingston Central Police believe the murder of 2 brothers in downtown Kingston on Sunday morning is related to a conflict between rival gangs in the area. Observer Online understands that the Chancery Lane and Spanzler's gang had been at a loggerheads in recent times. Sunday's double murder claimed the life of 34-year-old Christopher Palmer, an entertainer who goes by the stage name Venom, and his brother 42-year-old Kirk Palmer. Their killing is said to have stemmed from the November 13 murder of another man from the area. That individual was reportedly linked to the Spanglers gang, and his murder was believed to have been carried out by men attached to the Chancery Lane gang, police sources have indicated. Since then, there have been several reprisal attacks, according to sources. The 2 brothers were shot and killed at a stall on Beckford Street. A 3rd man was shot and injured during the incident.